Hello everyone, welcome to Geotechnical Engineering lecture series. So this is the second lecture. So today we are going to discuss a topic called origin of soils. Origin of soils. So in this origin of soils, we are going to discuss how a soil is formed and in how many ways it can be formed, how it will be formed by each process. That process we will be discussing in a detailed manner. First, let us look at the contents. So in this we will be starting with the definition of soil. Actually, what is called as a soil? The study of soil is called as what? And how it is formed. And coming to the next one, weathering and how many types of weatherings are there. So these are, and also some types of soils. What is a residual soil? What is a transported soil? And different types of transported soils. And some special soils we will be studying. In these special soils, we will be studying what is black cotton soil? What is bentonite clay? What is loam? What is an organic soil? What is a weathered clay? And what is a moram? So these are some types of soils that we will be discussing about each type of soil. So coming to the next one, what is a lithification and what is the difference between the weathering and lithification? Finally, we will be ending this topic with geological cycle of soil diagram. So coming to the first topic, what is soil? Generally, we will be calling rock plus organic matter gives rise to soil. So that means the soil is formed from rock. Soil is formed from rock. And coming to this type of soil, you may ask whether the soil may be organic or inorganic or organic. This nature depends upon the origin of soil, that means from where it is formed. So the soil may be organic or inorganic, that depends upon the source of its origin. So what do you call study of soil? Study of soil. The study of this origin and formation of soil is called pedogenesis. This process is called pedogenesis. This process is called pedogenesis. Pedogenesis. So the study of origin and formation of soil is called pedogenesis. So in this soil, there may be a presence of voids. Voids are nothing but gaps which are present in the soil. So these gaps may be filled by air or water. Air or water. That means the voids between the soil will be consisting of air or water. That is why we call a soil as a three-phase system. That is nothing but the soil may be consisting of a three-phase system, or we can call that three-phase system as a partially saturated system. So then how it is formed? So we said that rock plus organic matter gives rise to soil. But what is that process called? So soils are formed by a process called weathering. Soils are formed by a process called weathering. This weathering is of three types. This weathering is of three types. The first one is the physical weathering, The second one is the chemical weathering. Second one is the chemical weathering. And the third one is the biological weathering. Biological weathering. First one is the physical weathering. Second one is the chemical weathering. Third one is the biological weathering. So soils are formed from rocks by a process called weathering. So we will be discussing about each type of weathering. So how physical weathering takes place, which type of soil can be formed by physical weathering, what is the shape of the soil which is formed from this physical weathering, and similarly what is chemical weathering, what is biological weathering, etc. we will be discussing. So thanks for watching. In the next class we will be discussing about each type of weathering in a detailed manner. So thanks for watching my lectures. So for more lectures please subscribe to my channel.